Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Azure subscription, Databricks workspace, and a working ADF instance with permissions. Once done, create a service principal or enable a managed identity and grant it workspace and cluster launch permissions so ADF can call Databricks. Next, in ADF, create a pipeline and add parameters for the notebook path, cluster spec, and job timeout. This prevents hard-coded values. Make sure to test identity access quickly by listing workspaces or clusters before proceeding. Now you configure the Databricks notebook activity inside your pipeline. First, add the activity to the canvas and choose the Databricks link service that uses the service principal or managed identity. Then supply the notebook path and map pipeline parameters to notebook parameters so inputs flow correctly. After that, decide whether to use an existing interactive cluster or define a job cluster via JSON. Job clusters are ephemeral and cost-effective. Finally, set retry policies, timeout, and logging to capture execution. Trigger the pipeline and immediately open ADF Monitor to watch the activity state. Then open the Databricks Jobs UI for the specific run to inspect stages. If it fails, check driver and executor logs and notebook stdout for stack traces, and confirm libraries loaded correctly. Make sure the identity still has workspace and storage permissions, and validate cluster configurations such as Spark version and node size. If issues persist, retry with increased logging and a minimal notebook to isolate the failing call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.